This video is about how to adjust the hands with the digital time if they are not matching. In timekeeping mode, hold down the button until sub-indicator starts to flash on the display. Press C button to select the hour and minute hand adjustment mode. Adjust the hour hand and minute hand to 12 o'clock position using A button and D button. Now, press C button to adjust the mode hand position and adjust it to 0 position using A button and D button. Once the settings are the way you want, press B button to exit from setting mode to timekeeping mode. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe G-Shock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel and like our videos.